Are you looking for the best tripods for Nikon Z6? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best tripods on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Neewer 72.4-inch aluminum camera tripod. Neewer is a company that highly focuses on photography, video, and music devices. They promise to bring professional premium products at a cost-effective price. Today we are looking at their 2-in-1 camera tripod that has a 360-degree rotatable center column and ball head QR plate. It measures 27.17 by 5.12 by 5.12 inches and weighs 3.77 pounds. It has a high-quality mixing of both magnesium and aluminum alloy. I feel like in a heavy lifting contest between tripods, this bad boy will come on top with its capacity to support up to 15 kg, 33 pounds. The maximum height extension is 184 centimeters, 72 inches, while the minimum/folded to 65 centimeters, 26.4 inches, meaning it can be easily carried at the same time. The 2-in-1 feature that I mentioned before is that one of the legs can be removed, and it becomes a monopod or a walking stick if you prefer. The maximum height the monopod can reach would be 144 centimeters, 5'6", and the minimum 52 centimeters, 2'0". The angle of each leg can be adjusted flexibly so it can be steady and solid even on uneven grounds. On the legs, you will also be greeted by the dense sponge grips that make this tripod anti-skid. There's also the hook on which you can hang a sandbag or a heavy object in general, to increase its stability. The panoramic ball head is another great thing that I liked. It securely attaches the camera to the tripod while allowing you to change the composition quickly. There you will also find the 2 bubble levels, to keep the photos looking straight. To wrap things up, for the price, it is a great tripod, very stable, and durable. Also, I like its color design. The black and red scheme fits great with most camera/equipment and makes it look unique to other tripods. Make sure you take care of screws since some people have been whining about losing them easily. Number 2. K&F Concept 72-inch camera tripod. K&F came out of nowhere and decided to throw in high-quality photography equipment at a great price. And that's the case with their S211 72-inch tripod. This tripod comes in an aluminum build and weighs 1.8 kilograms per pounds. It can also be folded to 19.29 compact storage, resulting in a great travel companion that can easily be carried around. Remember the heavy lifting contest that I mentioned earlier? This fella would come out second, with a weight capacity of 10 kilograms, 22.04 pounds. Its 4-section column legs with its quick-release flip locks give you the freedom to easily adjust the maximum and minimum height in a few seconds. The tripod legs can be adjusted in 3 levels of opening angle to stabilize on all kinds of grounds and surfaces. It can reach a maximum height of 72 inches, 182 centimeters, and a minimum of 23 inches, 58 centimeters. What's more, just like the first option, it can be used as a monopod too. The monopod mode can go from a minimum of 19 inches, 50 centimeters, to a maximum of 7'6", 195 centimeters. It doesn't end here. Thanks to its stronghold, the monopod can also be converted into a hiking alpenstock. There's also the macro photography feature. The center axis can be inverted to give us the option for low shooting angles. This is something that is used to take pictures of insects/flowers, to small-sized objects in general. It contains a KF28 metal ball that can be rotated 360 degrees to improve camera activity range while having a strong locking force at the same time. And to wrap it up regarding this tripod, the S211 might give you the thought of a poorly made tripod on paper or at first sight. But it's quite the opposite. There's tons of stuff to like about it. For the price it comes with, it holds on to many things that high-end tripods from well-known brands provide. Number 3. Sirui Carbon Fiber Travel 5C Tripod. Sirui is gradually developing to be an important and influenced supplier of photographic equipment. We can see that with their Travel 5C tripod. A tripod that is built in high-quality carbon fiber while having maximum lightness and sturdiness. It weighs only 0.85 kg/1.87 pounds and its legs can be inverted and folded back to 180 degrees to save us a length of 13 inches in compact storage mode. Also, for a not-so-big tripod, he is quite strong, managing to support up to 8.8 pounds of weight. The center column is removable for low-angle or macro shots. Also, thanks to its non-slip rubber feet design, you can hang even more weight on its hook, for better stability on the surface. Both of those features reward us with more types of photo shooting. Its 5-section carbon fiber legs allow us to adjust the working height from a minimum of 6.3, 16 centimeters, to a maximum of 5.4, 138 centimeters, in seconds, with the simple/quick release of the twist locks. By smoothly panning the ball head that can rotate 360 degrees, you can capture a breathtaking panorama shot. It has a standardized quick-release plate with a 1/4 screw for a super-fast camera connection, and this tripod is compatible with almost all DSLRs and mirrorless cameras. It has great quality and it is very well built. It is as robust as they come, and besides that, it is really compact and light at the same time. But something that bothered most people, including me, was the ball head. It moves pretty easily even when you right the knob as much as possible. Number 4. Manfrotto Pixi Evo 2-section mini tripod. Manfrotto is an Italian brand of camera and lighting supports. But they are mostly known for their tripods and monopods, and they sure are well respected in the industry as a quality and cost-effective option for tripods. They offer a bunch of tripods to choose from. This time I decided to pick their mini tripod, the Pixi Evo Pixi Evo RD. This mini tripod is a high-quality, compact, and lightweight solution for camera stability. It is portable and easy to use, perfectly suited for lightweight cameras, which is the case with the Z6, which weighs only 1.29 pounds. It remains extremely lightweight thanks to its adapter and aluminum construction. It can be easily carried anywhere without feeling clumsy. Even though it is just a mini tripod, it can support a weight of up to 2.5 kilograms, 5.5 pounds. It has 2 leg sections that are adjustable in 5 steps, allowing it to extend from a minimum height of legs of 4.3 to a maximum of 7.68. With the Pixi Evo, there is also the possibility to take portrait shots thanks to the 90 tilt degree capability. To wrap things up regarding the Pixi Evo 2, there's nothing much to say since it is a nicely priced mini tripod. I can see this tripod to be of great use on vloggers thanks to its travel-friendly features. You can basically throw it in the backpack and take it with you wherever you go, and in return, you get great photo shoots. Besides, it is a really versatile device that doesn't mind getting along not only with DSLRs and mirrorless cameras but with action cameras and smartphones too.